is where the bus used to come
Yeah, this is where
and
the school
stop.
bus used to come, and every taxi was like, yeah, like if you go to town, it was like 250 for a taxi back in '05. So
Yeah.
this is where the taxis used to get your asses, and yeah, but it
Now
wasn't.
that
It was totally, yeah, it was like a door somewhere, but it was totally
closed.
closed, like not like this. This is like the remaining
Of what they?
platter.
Yeah.
This is the remaining platter.
I'm a Jacob is stealing everything. My snack, dahil nog hindi ka stealing.
I don't.
He's walking
Strange
out the
enough.
plane to steal it, man. He's walking.
There
Now this
are.
is literally chilling grounds now. Where
You come out of town, tired, you sit here, you
and you have
drink
a
your coffee.
beer or
Yeah,
something.
very vigilant.
But we all know Khaled for this bus stop because, like, I feel like this is the only authentic, original thing left of Khaled, the Roman.
The only authentic. This is the
Yeah,
only authenticity.
like everybody has to come to rest here when they
Let's start
come from
walking.
town. Everybody has to stop here and have a conversation. I feel like this is like the authentic. I feel like
Yeah.
this makes Khaled a bit feel like Khaled.
Seker net bezig.
Ja, Bergsag
Yeah,
mos nou
and
nie
as you
weg
guys
julle.
can see, we're on our way to a place that used to be called the Advieskantoor.
Kantoor.
Terug in die jare 1997 was dit die advieskantoor van Calitzdorp Bergsig. Hierso het mense gestem, hierso was jagprogramme en hier was waar mense hulle pensioene kon gekry het en hier was waar hulle kliniekdatums in SASSA die OP daai dis nog nie SASSA nie. Dus die OP mense het ook hierso kom arriveer en dinges, maar en ek dink 4 jaar, 3 jaar terug toe was ek deel van 'n projek. Dit was genoem, dit was 'n painting projek en dit was 'n bouprojek. Ek dink dis ons wat die laaste bietjie wit verf hier opgesit het want ek was 'n professionele painter en toe die gebou, hier was bouers ook, hulle die stoep was nie so nie, hulle het omgebou tot daar.
It looks better. It looks better than it smells, guys.
Yeah, it looks better than it smells because it smells like there's been dead people living inside and it looks like this place buried the dead.
And they fixed it up.
I think
Guys,
I'm not gonna go inside. It's gonna destroy my health.
I'm going inside. I need to go inside. I want to show you guys. This is what happened. I'm nearly dying here. This is what we have. Let me show you. Come. I don't know what this was like. Show them in there. It's terrible. And of course, they're gonna blame the takop. Of course, they're gonna blame the takop. Come. Let's just get out of here. No windows, no nothing.
Are you
Just
guys done yet?
you can see it. It was fixed up, but still nothing was done with it.
Did you
while
get
it
like a
was
full
fixed up.
picture or like a full view of this?
Because
like,
if somebody was here, this wouldn't have happened to this building.
But you remember earlier this year, there were people living here before they started the house project. There was like a family who got kicked out, like uncircumstantially. They got kicked out and they like literally had the place like with
Like
planted.
boarded up, yeah.
Everything was fixed and there were people living, but now it's back to square one.
Yeah.
The place is back to its disgusting
And
self.
they kicked that people out, right?
No, I think they got a house or something.
No, they still don't have a house.
I think they moved to.
I feel they had to move or
Yeah.
something. They didn't want them to live on Canaan property.
Yeah, they've moved.
But I'm talking about in general. If it was still the advice office
Advieskantoor.
at fiscal to.
Yeah, this is where you're supposed to get advice.
Ja. As dit nog steeds dit was en die was mense wat werk hier.
Yeah.
Dan het die gebou show them frame. En die gebou nie so gelyk nie. Nooit
Ja.
nie. Dan het die gebou nie so gelyk nie.
They were supposed to take the advice of us. Hulle moet ons advies gevat het.
Job creation, hello. But no, YouTube is stealing money.
En hierso nee, Soos julle sien, ek loop reg deur. Hier was omheining gewees met sleeps gewees hier reg rondom. Die plek was heel reg rondom gesleep hier.
Of course they gonna
Sien
blame
julle
it.
sleepie? Wie is 'n dairy milkie?
Was net daar so. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 van hulle nog wag.
Yeah,
My
and that is
God.
circumstantial because it's part of someone's household now. So that's why it's the only remainings, the only 5 remaining.
Left.
Yeah.
Of course you gonna blame the takop.
Claro,
Swak.
Pasquale.
Swak. Bastier. Moenie die takop blame jy, hy gaan nie. Calitzdorp.